Monchu muligereria na gukwanira ndonzi ya sobereta se margoba ya bono chinga kichinde na nengo kuwarigania semesa ya mangana ya litukeligeria Ijumaa lituko litangani na boigobono somutinyo yega okane hekero twachakire umutinyo kanu mwaka bwechiri bubere na merongebere nebere hekero toro mwaka yega boigona mange twabere to kwariganeria aseri tukeliga lia Ijumaa korwa bwagakiete na manga kolekanire aseri bo nyare ko sansamura na gokumanyinyira amaigerio gocha sabalemi nigagendete koene kiwana koinanwa gochi asa menyibe county ya Kisii boigos ya saimeye county ya Nyamira nigagendete kubwatanse karoliberera ose Emiri Nyagarama agendete go yakere koko ase ensemeyo ayo amo nenda mange na kwariganiria aseri bwanyare ko sansamuranira na gokumanya oria to kubwatira nere kurwasumu na wemanyirerio higakoro kwa Joshua Auta Nchenkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha. Nigotoko chaka kurwa sensemo yo obolimi ya kerokeria balimi kurwa se county ya Kisii wagendrete konyora amaegerio na kibaranyare kolenda na gokinia ekemeli gechae omurikito mirdede mumanyi na roboti rwa senchira yobwekerano
Chinga kikera esekta egendrete gokina nemerobelio kobekwa bene buna obolimi bwa matoke amarabuoni gatie chinde chinyinge nigo abalimi bechae na baruo batatigiri magega abalimi bekemeli yechae kurwa ensemo ya Nyangoba ime ya Nyamira nigo bagendrete gochengera ogokora kwa morobelio bwo kwegeriwa oyo oerete abo igoro asebanyorete obomajibwe kerengo ke igoro yoborendi bwechae
lakini wale mbele Nyangoba registered wale 26,000 wale active ame 20,000
ekerenga gyokor kereliwa okwo nigo kwale abalemi gwancha korenda echae yabo ilio konyora chibesa chingia bosyo bwe bonus
igo to gukwana bali ba ko license Kenya T-board or T-board of Kenya negwenete investigate abantu bali babegete chi machineries chiabo se factory chiabo in Kisii County and Nyamira County nete ba empower abalemi ba minto ko ba fertilizer elinde ba gotore chai ba bairira lakini pio konyoranga fertilizer ito konyara from KTDA barabuye batengerete bacha kugure chai KTDA ere involved in fertilizer
ile ndoa kole is to make sure bonus ya wengi na monthly payments todo waka na mapema by 5 ne bonus ya wengi we have to empower the farmers so that manyenga ichaya gotuta ekana kuira asset multinationals we are working on empowering abalimi banyore monthly payment in time ne bonus is
Chinga kiechio nigo bagania abana siasa kubanyora abalimi bechae asekeria buna baumbirigwe chinga kibalegati abali bagokinia uchumi yense
tumuna abalimi to wena to kuligerelinga akicha itekoba tunye improve ya ebe improve eto kubolia abantu abasiasa bagende tukanda round tigaba support muna abalimi edute chae to yaru factory mapema
Ginko reporteria egetaseni kia Ndizi TV ilitaliane Mildred Momanyi.
Mbiamuno umurikito Mildred Momanyi hasorobochurwa senchira yobo ikirano gotigana nere Mildred Momanyi nabo igona mangana yobo limi tuligeria ngo amangana siasa netumurikira se county ya Nyamira kerokyo women repa imeye county ya Nyamira nigakegendrete ko musomo musokurwa sabarwa nere winyorabuna yokoligie kerogekyo Emiri Nyagarama umanyekanite buna liberera nigagendrete go semi abamenyi be county yo igoro yobo koreri ase kerogeke iga buno muri keito brand sagini sena agotumanya.
Emily Nyagarama uyu abange bamanyete bunaliberera nigo agendererete kubwata liberera kegima ase siasa che county ya Nyamira anena mono ekerokyo women rep ekiamerera mata sentunde ntangani kegima abwase bono abantu ba Nyamira bachikirego cyo kumubwate siasa ganga yokora county yo liberera nainde liberera Nyamira county
twali kubulia abantu baitu Nyamira county omongi na bwe county nerense Nero kobiara, nero manyeto bakomo bwa monto, bantu baito kamuranje omwana oyo bunagire, na endo monto yagulibaga akonya abantu baito mbia mono.
Abantu ba minto banyamira. Mombo atisie ekerenga kiye chikura.
Inseye wiki yemo nigo liberera aumeranire n'abanyamira kurwa chingongo chonsi abwaseri tukolera rero aumerana n'aba West Mugirango asensemo ya tente abwaseganga yege kaleki yabo kubasomya abantu bensemeyo anena mono egasi umuwakilishi wa bangina gose women representative
rero neri tukolyo moerio ya mangana a civic education as a constituency cheto chons P cha Nyamira county tuachakerete burabu tugakora civic education North Mugirango tugakora yesterday civic education in Kitutu bona rero West Mugirango no more liberera ekerenga giite nene kiaren keringa tomanye a role yo mu women rep aba minto bara rero ngosoma tuacha abantu ba West Mugirango bonspi chi ward chonspi cha West Mugirango no bara
bono nigo atigaire nsema tuko Amayia Ensa Eyemo ligo korobo cholyo bonene bwo mwakoyo chingaki Emilia ababolira babwatani bekyama kya ODM weso kya sobongi starikisa na ibere chomo tyenyoyo ilikomo konya kwirurukia ebandera ya ODM asobo cholyo bokebwe kyama gose party nominations ilikomo konya kwenyolera libaga lyo gotiemwana na bande aseke mina no kyomo tyenyo gatano na gatatu stariki kyanda
mbwatisie ekerenga kiye chikura etogo chakora chaka na nomination eyere yo DM eye around 7th of April mombo atisie muanjire chi constituency chance P chansire ngango support bare na inche tinko ba let down mimi mchapa kazi na kazi naijua
liberera nigo boigo aira chinga kichana kweyakira ekoko asebikale bibyansi abwase boigo abasabira abanyamira ko bwatesia azimio la umoja anena mono marabe kyama kya ODM Raila Odinga aseganga yokora ense ya Kenya
kusitario mongaini naende echamande no ODM igomo support Raila Amolo Odinga mogonto marogoro tingo etera chibroka naenda direct narete binto bya nyami tuanjeranire ODM
Biamono humuriketo brand sagini isena sorobochirwa senchira yoboikirano gotigara boiga se county ya Nyamira abarai akorwa sen county yubono ni gobaga ndiyo bochori boime bokorwa se byama asobe gobatebere buno bochori obu bonyara gokorwa senchire yobwasyo no bwasyo ko wanchire ya konde wense goteyo omurikito kurwa se county ye job muhange narobochirwa senchira yoboikirano
Ime county ya Nyamira, constituency ya Kitutu Masaba, ward ya Kemera, Asamatanga Asusan Nyachuka, umugambi bwensemeyo Obed Nyamweya, nasaba banasiasa koralia chisera chiabo asomorembe. Abana siasa mbasa wagotabeka chiposta asatanche iri.
Narego saba banasiasa ambasa kutumia abana baito bobe chinga keje bare chirusa. Babasa kutumia abana baito ba boda bobe. Baba sako kora ene incitement baba sako abana baita marwa
oyo koligie kerogo kyobo seneta Ime county ya Nyamira weterekia makia UDA Nyambega Mose nasaba bamenyi banyamira bamoeribaga erinde achikorwanerera obotume kyobuya bwenibo.
The best interest ya community to achieve through devolution has been suffocated through looting and plundering of resources ya abananchi eto kita accountability and entrenched na lyo mwananchi arajenchiwe atuare dignified life in this county okuna kuko sawa kwane igonto chora chikura for the sake of it we must see very far.
Atati kengere oyo koligia ekerogo kyobunge bwa Kitutu Masaba wetere Kenya Social Congress nateba karachoro na rwanerere abalemi nakoneke buna bagakaba nyumba 10 bakanirwe
nche priority yano kole na mangana abalemi mulimi bwe chai mulimi bwe kawa so that we have money in the pocket of farmers. Passionately pursuing ngabaka bari ba nyumba 10 n'abaturete nabarubaye gukibese per month.
Ensemo yende abo bakoriye kerego kyo bwemsie bwe wodi ya Kemera be akereko kona gusaba bamenyi bensemeyo kuba bwatesie aseganga yabo yokora e wodi ya Kemera.
Nganga tebanga ekereta ligeruweka murigererie naende kusabira n'umurembe akatoyota ndiko beka nyama insa asalfan chikonya bananchi kila sente chaso atachukua supplementary patch atubasogati o chikokonye ntobibele bitoto tomo sabanga chikore miremo bune chiro ya Kemera nene sima kyere bokanya kebeko
nankoira igongote masana ngana intu seita tu ala horticulture Kemera ite ekobe green hub tatinga kere ngaki tosimika horticulture tokuira Nairobi na intwe tuonelia bantu bandali singe jibando ndunya rwsimika simiko nditu tubwate
kurwa se county ya Nyamira ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV Job Maangi.
Biamono Job Maangi asorobotirwa senchira yobo ikiranu kotigana na kumurekera amangana anena bwaterane siasa na boigo asensemo yebi gambero igobono omo bwa Kenya kwanza bwariganire bo ikiranu okona chwa wekerane tiabo litukoro igoro no mona shebi no mona jasmata kohome asogo tukutira roboti rwa BBI ale bagokwa nali tukoli alera omo bwa Kenya kwanza igobate birebu na serikali kubwaterana amo ne bigambero igo yarokane gokole mirimo yabo etali kubwatiranigwa nonde bwense nigo bakere kigambira soko irege tambukiro yoko iroko na chakwabo batali gosegetwa nonde bwense.
It is important to note that public funds used in the constitutional process were not appropriated by the National Assembly for the purpose, but were rather an illegal diversion of public funds by some public officials who decided to use their offices, to finance politics contrary to the Constitution and the Public Finance Management Act of 2012. We wish to remind the handshake duo and BBI promoters who misused their offices in diverting public funds to the BBI initiative that they are accountable to the public for their illegal decisions and actions as per Article 73(2)(d) of
na ni gobo chinga ki ababunge balibale asensemo yomo bwa Kenya kwanza ono batebere baguchika busiase bunge na kunyara kubulia na kichibesa chia bwategetwa soko nyara gusira umurobeli OBBI abunga ubono ni gokolenga na Kenya kwanza batebere buna ogusira korobotura BBI ni gokwaleta sarenene asense ya Kenya egento baga nige tambukoro kia bwangu kwimukigwa ase bali baeteti na guwanjira chibesa gosoka soko chigusira umurobeli OBBI.
Our members at the National Assembly are moving a motion compelling the Auditor General to undertake a forensic audit on all public funds spent in the illegal process from inception to date. It is now clear the illegality and fraudulent dictation to Kenyans of an illegal process that has cost the Kenyan government huge sums of money, funds that ideally should have been channeled to other urgent needs of Kenyans, is now well manifest in Azimio charades.
Na gutigana no roboto ruturigereria hayanda gendete wateka kurwa chinsemo kembe kemo kurwa sensemo yakawangware ime iyo mucho Nairobi igobono bagendete gusira basaya as chinsemo asemerobeli bagokora yakera lituko kembe kyo kemanyekanta buna Pet King nigo kya gwato kirobokonyi uchasa basana sensemo yakawangware asencheremo yogusire merobeli bagokora kembe kinigo kimukirege tambokere kyo asogote abuna abasabange barokane bakwebwatirania ase amalyogo yogo tindia munichi sawo chimbe ase kyombe kikemukirege tambokera na kwana kibuna ngosira kira basaye bali bagendrete gwesoma ase emerobeli ende yonsi eli bagwikirania na senseme yakawangware egotoka se county ya Nairobi. Na oyo kuligie kirogo kyobo governor ase county ya Siaya oyubono o kabiro monogiri wa nyimbo Charles Owino ni gamochiri omurikyo monebwe kyama gya ODM Edwin Sifuna asogo sana ni nensemo ya siasa ase ensemeyo ni gamochiri Edwin Sifuna gotebuna erebuno omuriki na bwigomotenebwe kyama tabwente kwebwatira na mangana siasa anase kyama gya ODM ekerokeria abantu anebarai bagendete kweroberia asokweriga ticket gwetera sekia magia ODM igate birebuna bali bakoligie birogo gwetera sekia magia ODM ni gobanta ko gwali baga no busibole bwabo asoko genda na gokoro bochoryo bokweme gose nominations wanchireria konde gwansi gotaya nonde gwansi korwa service ene ya magia ODM atali wesonania aroro.
Baba is going to be a candidate of a coalition of several parties under Azimio la Umoja to unite our country. And therefore, and ODM's policy is based on democracy and transparency. And remember, Baba fought and put his head on the rail for many years, getting detained for a continuous 8 years. That was just one detention in order to fight for democracy in this country. And this is the space he fought for, democracy. I believe Sifuna is simply scared of our ability. Engineer Gumba and I, if they wanted to hire us, even today, to deliver for ODM, they know we will deliver for ODM. So if they don't want to hire us to deliver for them, then what we are simply doing is to avoid what we call voter apathy. We would want Right Honorable Raila Odinga to get as many votes as possible. We want to encourage each and every person that thinks he can run on any other party to run on that party so that we don't lose any votes. But most interestingly, I would say that Sifuna cannot deliver for ODM even an MCA seat in Bungoma. And he knows we can deliver for ODM all the seats in Siaya. So we are not at the same level with him.
Na boigo omurai bwekyombe kyobutuki no bosaridi cia George Kinoti ni gate birubuna nare tayari kuimukire wegetambukero kende gyonsi agoika aine kibuna abakenya nkonyora bare obosibore na nkonyora baro bokorre byo kurwase kyombe kyo gya DCI Kinoti kagote yabuna nige ebine binge bigoika samo kabo yabere bigotwara ebitango ao asekolenda tebire na chikohenekia buna abakenya ngoisane kabale no bokorre bwabo na imukire getambukero kende gyonsi kanga yaye nene noko ene kibuna abakenya nkonyara urobo sipole na guisaneka no bokorere bwe kyombekerigia DCI.
Assignment I was given was not a simple assignment. I was taught, you have been my mentors as far as spirituality is concerned. I've faced difficulties, persecution, and I remember there's one time, Bishop, everybody a hand here, they are literally crying. They all went to prayers that Kinoti is going to be committed to jail and all that. I say from the bottom of my heart, when I was to go, I was to go for Kenyans. It is not because that I'm done any wrong, but you know what is happening in our country. But because of your prayers, steadfast prayers, God has upheld me. And there is one thing I've said. I would rather go in any way, but never to betray the faith you people have had in me. And what I can say, God has answered your prayers. Continue being with me. Continue praying with me. Telling my brothers and sisters here, these universities, we do follow them, but in greed has taken center stage of everything, to an extent of cheating the very people we have been given charge to serve.
Na gotigana na yo koika asensemo ya siasa mulikyo munene bwe kyama gya Jubilee Jeremiah Kioni niga atebire buna omurebwe nso muskuru Kenyatta nigara bene okobekese asoko bwatana kwa One Kenya kwa One Kenya Alliance no mo bwa Azimio kyo niga atebire bono okobwatana okuni wachire maiga ya Azimio la umoja kobwatana na One Kenya Alliance gosoka asabarosio mo manyakanite buna Azimio One Kenya Coalition.
Form this movement of Azimio and get it where we are today, where we have signed to the documents in agreement with what has been led, or the summary that has been led by the SG of Wiper, and say that the President has guided us by signing into the document, not because of what there is for any one of us or for any one of the parties, but because of what this document or this movement stands for Kenyans. It's a movement that stands for the unity of this country, a movement that stands for the continuity of the development agenda that we have experienced in the last 10, 15 years, a movement that deals with the inclusivity in the management of the affairs of this country. And we are signed to a document that talks about the need to have shared prosperity. We know as we go forward what the other side stands for. It stands for those who are not keen in supporting funds like CDF, funds like the Ward Fund, the Equalization Fund, has no room for the pastoralists. And what we have seen in the recent past, makasiriko mingi, watu wa porojo, na sasa they have topped it up with matusi ambayo haijasikikana dunia hii. And we want to promise Kenyans that we will work together in the most decent manner, led by our President for the 5th term, Raila Amolo Odinga. We will move across this country together. And again, once we are through with looking for votes, because we know we'll get the votes, we will be guided by those ideals of inclusivity, unifying the country, and ensuring that every one of us shares in the prosperity of this country without any form of discrimination. So I want to thank our colleagues. We in Jubilee will work within this formation.
Na maiga yokubwatana kwa mobwa Azimio na oka na korosia omumanyakanite buna One Azimio One Kenya Coalition ni gobona sentunde ntangani ritukolia nkyobago chikotare county ya West Pokot abarayikurwa senseme yoni goba aliganirie tare yo uchokolekana ritukolia nkya senseme yo aseganga yokumurigeria na kumwakireka komuraiwe kyamageo demrero morodinga asobo cholyo bone boli bosio gochikobo murayo gatano asenseme yo West Pokot ni gobona batebere buna okubwatana gwa oka na Azimio ni okugochikoirera omuraiwe kyamagea ODM Raila Morodinga wanyora chikura chinyinge kurwa chinsem anasensemeyo ya West Pokot.
The first day of a serious political rally in West Pokot tomorrow. I want to welcome on behalf of Kenya Union Party, on behalf of Pokot Nation, on behalf of my party leader, Honorable Professor Lonyangapuo. We want to invite our next president, the 5th president, Raila Amolo Odinga, tomorrow, and his colleague, Principal, His Excellency Kalonzo Musyoka. So mina sema wa Pokot tuko tayari kupokea mtoto mpichi ambaye tarehe 9 mwezi wa 8 tunaenda straight nayo na hiyo mtoto State House. Hiyo ni mtoto ni Azimio la Umoja One Kenya.
Nigo boigo chinga kiechu kanu batebire buno kubwatana ukoni ko chikokonya asoko mwakire eko komurai bwe kyamagyo demrero morodinga achinsemo aidi konyara komurigeria chikura umurikyo mone bwe kyamagya kanu niki salat ekibage kura wana Gideon Moi nigo batebire buna kanu bachikoenekya nkomurigeri bali chikura chinyinge umurai bwe kyamagyo dema Raila Amolo Odinga asobo chodio bone buli bosio chikobo murayo gatano bwense ya Kenya.
We're here to announce the formation of Azimio la Umoja One Kenya political party, whereby it's taken a long road to get us where we are, and we are happy to get here to say from here going forward we are now going for the real politique. From the boardroom we are moving on to now actualize this formation of these partner members who have decided to work as a team for the betterment of this country. And from here we will speak with one voice, we will act with one objective, and we will give our team leader the necessary support, and our team leader here being the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, the necessary support to actualize, to push him to the presidency of this country against that which we all know, the other side, which we all know, and I repeat, we all know it will be a total risk to the people of this country to empower that other side to handle the lives of everyday Kenyans. So I say that we are here to really move as a team now. Forget about the past, we've come a long way, and now we are solidly behind our team leader, the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga.
Munchumurigeria nyura nigo gendrete gotengera Ndizi TV obwansubo mugusio roboti ururo gotombokia gochia sensemo oye chigosori to murekera mangana NSL ose National Super League naki yabereke korekere entunde ntangani ya gosori ya NSL ego chiko butoka ekende ya maguchaka entunde ya kabire kumurekera timu korogusi naki chabere chiko kora ane timu ya Shabana aboga ne timu ya Gusi FC omurikito kurwa sensemo oye chigosori Captain number 001 Demo Steven egatu alganeti roboti rwa senchira yobikirano.
Chiti mchikoriga ligumano ya soro gongorwa Gusi ase gosori yenko yon Shabana FC na Gusi FC echo chikogosori mea National Super League NSL. Entunda ya NSL ya eta nigo Shabana FC ya kolete namba 5 na 3 ase Gusi FC ya renge namba 10 asobo gosori bwayo butangani pi imea NSL. Ogochaka gwentunda ya NSL season ye nigo yareri bagarie chitimu chionsi gochaka buyese giyogosoa imea FKF Premier League wetera kobase chitimu chintangani sato imea NSL. Goikera bono ni NSL tigaretie gosoria yeme ntunde ntangani first leg ere.
Hii msimu kitu ambacho tumefanya kidogo, tumeongeza makali kidogo kwa safu yetu ya ushambulizi, na pia pale katikati tumeongeza makali kidogo. Tuna matumaini ya kwamba kulingana na wachezaji ambao tumeongeza wageni kwa timu na ni experience kidogo, tunayo matumaini ya kwamba wataweza kusaidia na tuweze kupandisha timu kwa Premier.
Gusi FC nigo yatwalirenga kienko ngwabwase yabwire chigosori sato chioka ase 15 na isato ya gosoriri nonya yabwata maroro yoko gosori buya season yeye.
Season here we are aiming for a top 5 finish, but if all goes well toko reno a playoff position to nyare go join a Premier League, we be glad na
ase Shabana FC nigo yatwaliro gonchuriri kwa moro kio monene ase bono yale toyo kabiro mogosori oyo mokuru Sami Okot uyonye konyire ko base chitimu chintanganinye imea NSL goikira bono.
Chendo jenga sinsi achaga se timu aba mrendo jo baro kereri
tikire tikwende tactics cho wa kumpira mpaka ndio kubwatia amangana ya takira soka.
So hatutogopa kuchange team kwa sababu wote wana need kuzoea na waingie kwa hiyo system kusudi team isaidike.
Tunaenda kuwork on striking sana ndio tuko chini na midfield.
NFL ndingeregatia chiligi chiwato wa merio botindi mono imea Kenya astorabe tukubati chitimu chionsi emerongevere na koranchiri chichirasoe imea KPL omweli bwentunde yeyo bwa mereri
yale korra bya mono sana bono wikira bono ganturo chinga asoma ene bwa mangana etimu ko bandira ko swasiri otherwise ise ko genda muna tole tindo chiki ko takene njo kera tanga se timu ya sabana sie ikira bono.
Elietalia Nendemo Steven Captain 001
Wancho muligelia hasenseme ya Captain number 001 Ndemo Steven Nondo chenko ya kiromo Somalia mangana ya senchira yobo ikera notabato gukwariganira tarike ya mumutinyokane umwako yiga buchiri bubere na 2022 mbiamono asogo charago tengera Ndizi TV obwansu ubwo gusibu na botambe tobwatu wetera senseme ya mtandao semo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News na bagenseme ya YouTube nyirago tobwatu na Ndizi TV News tobase kweba kolika news karokwa likirira Ndizi TV nyura igotumanyika ntabuna Ndizi TV News asensemeria yemetanda uliotobekana kwa nekina chibicha na mali ya gukera akorokuna Petronira mokera nabo igensemenda somuntu wemanyiririo igakorokwa Joshua auta na inchenkorokwa Vincent Onyancha.
Omurigereria bwa television ya Ndizi TV vono na bukura ry'ubuncholia bwao ase television ya Ndizi TV chinga kichindi chonsi elio wikere abarigereria kurochi county sana na ibire echo chira sorogo nkorwa Nyanza nabo